Am I audible? So if I'm audible, put a message. Hello? I'm
Hello.
audible? Sir?
கேக்குது.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to all. A teacher always be a learner and a nation builder. So, never stop learning. We, the Department of Computer Applications, Nandha Arts and Science College, Tamil Nadu, India, feel very delightful to organize the webinar on the topic Tools and Techniques in the Pentesting and Bug Bounty. We are pleased with the enthusiasm and curiosity of the participants so that we have reached a high of more than 1,000 registrations. Due to overwhelming, the webinar is conducting through Google Meet as well as YouTube live streaming. Dear friends, to avoid distraction and to gain focus on the webinar, we request you to mute your audio, video and sharing personal information in chat box. Now, let me introduce our resource person, Mr. Dinesh Parandagan, CEO and founder, Hackup Technology, Coimbatore. He did his post-graduation in MCA and MSc Psychology. He has presented more number of national level papers in the field of security from 2012 onwards. He has acted as a resource person for more than 30 colleges in and around Tamil Nadu. He has published a number of books in the area of cyber security and ethical hacking. He has been currently a member in Nation Anti-Hacking Group, developing customized Linux tools, product development using AI technology, mobile tracking and website pen tester, penetration tester for government and corporate training for cyber security, giving cloud security for Flipkart and Amazon, freelance at Hiccup and Chrome Bug Bounty, and also an active member in Google Developer Group. Now, I request our beloved principal, Dr. N. Gopalakrishnan, to welcome and felicitate the gathering. Please, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir, it's not audible. You just turn on the mic and then speak, sir. Excuse me.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry.
thank you, thank you.
Now I think it should be audible now.
Oh, yes, sir, you can proceed.
Good morning. It's my pleasure to be here on this happy morning to welcome all of you for this webinar. Maybe 1,000 plus participants. We have around 200 in this group. And another Facebook or YouTube. There are very many channels you might have opened it. It's a contemporary relevant topic in which our Dinesh is going to talk more effectively on pen testing and other tools that you will be requiring on your day-to-day work in your field. As a head of the institution, I am so much pleased to be here to inaugurate this webinar, which is going to be more relevant, which is going to be more useful to the present situation. The students need not learn the subjects alone. I have gone through the brief profile of Mr. Dinesh. Really, it's amazing to see he has done around a dozen certifications from CompTIA, maybe from Red Hat Linux, Python for hacking, Sun Java, and so many other certificate courses he has done it, he has completed it. That shows the interest with which he is propelling. Maybe this COVID-19 lockdown is going to give us that kind of lesson. Mere the education in the college or classroom is not going to be sufficient. You have to identify various certifying agencies, learn very many new things, and make yourself more employable or more productive and more useful to the society. In that dimension, this webinar is going to be more useful because it is going to throw light on a current topic or contemporary relevance, cyber security and ethical hacking or penetrative testing, whatnot. All such things maybe it looks maybe back screen work or behind the screen work, but it is essential one. Because now we are going to enhance our online presence. After your IQ, that is intelligence quotients, after your emotional quotients, now we are talking about your digital quotients, DQ. So we have to make our digital presence in all our fields of life. I need not go to the bank, I can do the banking transaction from my own computer network. I need not go to the classroom, I can handle the classes from my own laptop. All such things are getting digitized. When this kind of digitization is, our online presence is increasing, quite naturally, hackers and other people will be doing all kinds of mischiefs. So you have to be more prudent in safeguarding your network data, your systems, whatnot. In that dimension, our Mr. Dinesh, our today's guest, is going to have more enticing and excellent presentation. At this point of time, I have to appreciate the Department of Computer Applications of Nandha Arts and Science College for having made this attempt, and hope they will be coming out with more rewarding feedback in the times to come in the evening. Wish you all the best. Thanks a lot for patient hearing. I wish you should all have a useful and beneficial learning. Wish you all the success. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Now I'm going to start from presentation.
Hello everyone. Is it audible and is it visible, my screen?
Screen is not visible.
Sir, you have to unpin my screen so that you can whoever presenting the screen, you just unpresent.
Yeah, got it.
Like, can you visible right now?
Yeah.
Okay. And is it audible?
Yes, it's for me.
Okay.
Audible.
Okay. So first of all, I thank Nandha Institute for this the webinar on web pen testing and bug bounty. So today, the 1 hour of the webinar, we'll discuss the thing about how to earn while we are learning. It's like parallelly you can earn while you are learning. So I'll just give you some ideas and some of the trending techniques and tools which you can utilize and you can earn while you are learning. So most of the time in college we are learning as a theoretical part. So there is a concept like ethical hacking and pen testing where you can earn, and also it's not an easy thing, but you can spend some time to learn. So by the way, you can earn much more things. And one more thing, this is not like a syntax oriented, like one time if you are learning the thing, you can't apply the same logic all the way. So you have to update yourself the day by day. So let's start the session. The first thing, the content, introduction, and some of you are from a different background. So I can see some 200 members and some of the participants are there in YouTube. So you may think like I am from a science background, I am from a mechanical background, the civil background. So some of you might have a doubt like can I start the bug bounty? So in this 1 hour of time, if you spend, the bug bounty is not a thing we can cover in 1 hour, but I'll try to cover some of the core topic in this 1 hour. So how you can start and how you can start your the thing as a self-learning method. Then where to start. And one more request, if you are not unmuted your audio and video, kindly unmute so that others can able to hear my voice properly. So thank you. So here where we can start, and then some technical things which we can able to follow, and penetration testing. What's about the penetration testing, and the tools, what are the tools we can utilize for pen testing, and then demonstration. I'll give some 3 demonstration, and then the job offers in the bug bounty and pen testing, and then how to report. Like consider if you are reporting some bug, the website owners, they'll pay some amount for your bug. So I'll explain where to report and how to report, and some of the pre-vulnerable platform where you can try your ability. Like you are from a beginner, you can't able to try with the real-time site, where you can try with pre-vulnerable platform. I'll explain some of the platforms and some of the real-time bug bounty platform, and Twitter hashtags where we can follow and we can gain some knowledge, and the query. So this is about the today's agenda. So first let me start with the bug bounty. So bug bounty, most of you, we are aware of bug bounty, but most of us, we won't try the bug bounty thing because as I said, you may from a different background, and maybe you don't have time to try and learn the bug bounty thing. So if I assure, if you spend this 1 hour of time, utilize this 1 hour of time in a proper way, after some 10 years or after some 5 years, you can earn somewhere using the bug bounty thing. So if possible, you just listen carefully till the end of the session. So here the bug bounty is the thing. If you are finding, you don't need to fix the error. If you are identifying some errors in computer program, like the developers will develop the computer program like a website or the application. If the common public person, they find errors in those program, and if they identify and report the bug, the website owners, they'll give some reward amount or some coupons. The bug bounty program, they'll conduct for website and organization, the software developers or individuals, so they can conduct or they can participate. The thing is, the person has to find the bug. They don't need to rectify the bug. Only thing, the person has to have a ability of finding the bug and reporting those bugs. So this is about a bug bounty thing. The next thing, as I said.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes.
The still screen is not visible, sir.
Wait a minute.
So kindly please check it.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it visible?
So no, sir, I'm not getting. Yeah, now I'm getting, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sir, if the members are not able to find the screen, you just put up your audio and video. So most of you are presenting your video. So you just turn off your video and then pin my presentation. Like there is an option to pin. So you can pin it and then listen. So if you have any trouble in audio or video, you can just pause and I can re-present or reshare the thing. So thank you. So here, most of us will have a question like, I am from other background, or I am not a third year, or I am not getting to the programming till now. Can I start the bug bounty? So this is a question most of the person who are there in webinar, they'll have the same question. So the answer is yes, you can start. The thing is, bug bounty is a thing you are trying, like any person from non-technical person can able to start the bug bounty program from the beginner level. And one more thing, there are something like they'll say, if you need to learn a bug bounty, you have to be a computer science background. It's not a thing. Like you can become most of the members from other background students, like non-computer students, they learn the computer programs very easily, and they'll create some more various programs and various hackathons. They'll participate and they'll win a cash award and they'll win a reward. So it's not a thing to be a computer science students. You have to understand the computer fundamentals. So that's it. And one more thing, it's not a overall the overnight and over a week or over a month program to earn the bug bounty thing. So you have to participate you have to learn about the bug bounty inch by inch, and you have to go through all the things. So I'll explain what all the things you have to go through. And the next one, where to start. So as I said, you can start, but the next question, all of us, we have a question like where to start. So I'm from a non-computer science. So as you are from a computer science or non-computer science or a civil or mechanical, so there are any person, they won't teach you whole thing. Like as myself, if I am conducting a webinar on bug bounty, in 1 hour of time, I can't able to teach all the things in bug bounty. So I can able to have as a eye-opening session. So I can teach you as a eye-opening session. The thing is, Google has all the knowledge. Like Google, each and everything, if you are surfing in Google proper way, you can able to learn much more things in Google. So all the person are searching in Google, but they are doing something not relevant to us, and they are doing much more activity than us. The thing is, they are utilizing the Google in a proper way. So try to use the Google in proper way, and ask questions in a proper way. There are something you can you do the search in proper way. So use proper Google search, you will get all the things. I'll explain where you can search and what are the links you can find the solution. The next technical thing, as I said, the first we started with what is bug bounty, and can we start the bug bounty? Yes, you can start. Whether you are a computer science or non-computer science, you can start, and starts with Google. And to Google, next question you may think, something I have to know before get into the Google search. Yeah, yes. So before get into the Google search and before get into the topic, first thing you have to know the basic things about a bug bounty. So the very basic thing, like all of us are from we are using digital gadgets, like we are using mobile phones, we are using the Facebook, Instagram, all the things we are using. Maybe we will find a bug, but we are not aware of whether the particular thing is a bug or a error. So we will simply leave those things and we will come out from the application. We think that the application is a error. So what the bug bounty hunter will do, they will report the bug. So if they think something it's not relevant to Instagram or Facebook is going inside something error or something, they'll try to report. So for as a beginner, we won't report because we don't know how to report. So first thing, we have to learn about HTTP and TCP and IP model. Just take a screenshot or make a note. To start a bug bounty, so just learn about HTTP. HTTP is nothing but the hypertext transfer protocol. Like all the websites, it's using a HTTP or HTTPS. Then Linux. I am a Linux user. This is a Linux machine. The Linux have all the tools and techniques. You can use Linux other than Windows. If you are using Linux, you can learn much more things than Windows operating system. So use Linux operating system and try to learn some commands in Linux. And then web application technologies like HTML, about a basic HTML coding, and about a basic JavaScript. So you don't need to go depth into that. The thing is, while you are into the bug bounty thing, just learn about what are, if you are editing some code, you just learn where it's reflecting. That's enough for bug bounty. So you don't need to, as a beginner, that's enough for a bug bounty. So you just learn the basic level of coding, and then network basics. So how the network works, what is about HTTP and HTTPS, and PHP and JavaScript. These are some technical things you have to follow while you are learning bug bounty thing. These are the technical things you have to follow. Then comes to a penetration testing. There are many ways you can do the pen testing. There are many platforms they are doing a pen testing in a right thing. There are the pen testing they are doing in website, they are doing in mobile application, they are doing in networks, they are doing in operating system. So all the places they are having a bug, and the person has to find the bug and the person has to fix the bug. So right now in this webinar, I am going to explain only a web pen testing. So as I said, web pen testing, you can learn the HTML or PHP. If you are going for a mobile pen testing like Android pen testing, you have to learn the programming language for Android. So not as a developer end, for a analyzing part, you have to learn something about a mobile pen testing and mobile programming. So now we can go for a web pen testing. So web pen testing, most of you may get a doubt, like some they have a tester. So what is the difference between tester and pen tester? So tester, they will review the code whether the particular code is working in a proper way, whereas the pen tester in the sense they are doing penetration testing for website. They will do advanced level of testing and they will search for the security level of code, whether there is any security lag, whether there is any misuse of code. So the way they are testing the particular thing, or the source code reviewer will review only the source code, whether the particular code is working fine. For in simple example, like if you are a Android tester, if you are having a mobile phone, most of us will test only the RAM and how whether the mobile working properly. That's it. If I am giving a mobile, the same mobile to a Android developer, Android tester, like the Android Pentester, they'll turn on the developer mode in Android mobile and they'll connect the mobile in their system and they'll analyze the code. So what is the inbuilt code they have embedded? So what is the difference between difference they have given from the older version to new version? So these are the things they'll analyze in pen testing, the in-depth testing and the security level testing. Source code reviewer review only the working principle. So that is about the web pen testing. And then next one, so this is about a methodology. The methodology for web pen testing, the first thing, each and everywhere we have to collect the information. As I said, this is not a overnight thing we can earn and we can learn. We have to gain some information for the bug bounty. And then planning phase, we have to plan whether we are doing for a website or a network or a mobile, and we have to analyze the plan. And then vulnerability. So some of the new terminologies in the sense, some of the new words we'll use in web pen testing and ethical hacking. The vulnerability means weakness. So whatever the website you are testing, the goal is to find the weakness in that particular website and you have to detect the weakness. So vulnerability detection is a weakness detection. First thing, information gathering and planning and vulnerability detection and pen testing. As I said, pen testing is a security level testing. We have to do the security level testing, and then if we found something, some bug in that particular website, we have to report the bug. So that is a reporting thing, the final thing of web pen testing. The next thing, we know that some of you may think like more competitions are there, they'll secure the website. So how we can test the same website after some one time or two time? If we need to test the same website for multiple times, is it possible? So it's possible. The thing is, it's our system and our website is not 100% secure. So you can test the same website after, once you find the bug, you can test the same website after some 1 month or 2 months. Maybe they'll edit some code and there might have a bug, you can report the bug. And so next we'll go for a demonstration. Before demonstration, I'll explain something about a HTTP and HTTPS. Most of us, we know that what is about HTTP and HTTPS. I'll just explain. So here, this is about HTTP. Can you able to see my, is it my screen visible? I have opened one web page. Is it okay? So this is about a HTTP, and if I open google.com, so you can see HTTPS. In simple way, I'll explain the HTTP and HTTPS. Like if you are having a burger or sandwich in your hand, the person who is looking at the particular thing can able to view what are the ingredients you are having in that particular sandwich or burger. The same way, the person can able to view all the sensitive data. So if the sandwich, in case of website, the person can able to view the sensitive data if the data is traversing in HTTP. Whereas in HTTPS, if the data is traversing, so you can find there is a shield covering the same burger or the pizza or something. So the person know something the person is taking from one end to another end, but they can't able to identify what the thing is. They have an encrypted layer, so they can't able to view what is inside that layer. So this is about HTTPS, Secured Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and HTTP is a Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So the request and response, HTTP request and response will work as a three-way handshaking. Maybe if you are not a computer science background, just look out the image, I'll explain. So three-way handshaking will work. So this, just look out the image. Whatever the thing you are searching, like consider if you are doing a WhatsApp message or if you are searching something in YouTube or Google, this is the three-way handshaking method. consider the client is our system and server is a Google server. So first thing, from our system it will request Google. So it will request the from client machine, it will request for with IP address and all the necessary data. It will send one request, and from the server we'll get an acknowledgement like you can access my Google database. So this is an acknowledgement to our system. Consider I am just opening google.com and I am searching for a three-way handshaking. So from my system it will take my IP and all the necessary data to Google server, and then the Google will acknowledge me like you can access my data. So final acknowledgement is that, so I have I'm going to establish all the connection with your synchronized and asynchronous acknowledgement data. So like that the third request will transfer from client to server. So once we receive the synchronized data is a request, and then the response, and then again the confirmation. Once we get three things, we can establish the google.com. Then only we can access the google.com. So if you are opening google.com will work within a second. The backend it will do the three-way handshaking. So here the request and response is as I said, from our client machine to server and server machine to client. Then URL, as I said, the HTTP and HTTPS. Now I'll just explain about the burp suit. So burp suit is a tool which we are going to use. I think someone has unmuted. Can you mute the thing? Okay. So here burp suit is a powerful tool for web pen testing. So burp suit, I'll explain about a tool and where you can download. As a beginner, as if you are attending the bug bounty for first time, you just note down what is about a bug bounty and where you can download and what all things you can do with bug bounty. So first thing, I'll explain where you can download the burp suit tool. The tool name is burp suit. So this is one of the topmost tool for web pen testing. So you can just Google burp suit. The first link, portsfigure.net. You can go to that particular link, portsfigure, where you can download the burp suit. So burp suit is an intermediate tool, or the tool which will connect our browser. Whatever the request we are transferring from our browser, it will be captured by the burp suit. I'll explain. So here is a community edition, the free edition. You can download the community edition and you can utilize the burp suit. So I have a burp suit here. So I'll explain about a burp suit first. This is a burp suit tool, and then this is our website or our machine. So this is a browser. Consider my Firefox machine, and this burp suit I am using a tool named burp suit, and this is a Google server. So consider if I am requesting Google server, google.com, the burp suit will capture each and every data, and then whenever I am giving a forward button, I can able to view whatever the request I am searching in the particular browser. I'll explain in detail. So here is a burp suit tool. So this is a burp suit tool. This is a burp suit tool. So here you can. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, there is no content difference.
It's visible, ma'am.
Hello.
It's visible.
Ma'am, is it visible? Can I proceed?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So burp suit community edition. Can you able to see my burp suit tool?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So, ma'am, can you unmute because some of the members has. Okay. So burp suit community edition 2020 you can download from the portal burp suits, the portsfigure. So here is a burp suit tool, and once you download the burp suit, there are some configuration thing you have to do for a burp suit. So after that, I'll explain. So here, so listen. The right hand side.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir. Your PPT is not. We cannot see it on the PPT, sir.
I think some of members. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Sir, we are seeing.
Most of the person is not.
No, sir. Not
Yeah,
visible,
Sir,
sir.
hello. Sir, you can just pin my presentation so that you can view the screen. Shall I proceed? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir, please
Okay,
proceed.
okay, thank you. So if it's not visible, please pin the thing. So and then you can pass. So you can confirm with the members in chat. Thank you. So here, so this is about a burp suit thing. I'll explain about some two demonstration using burp suit. So as I said, I'll explain the burp suit. Here is a burp suit tool you can download and you can install in Windows. Whatever the thing you are requesting from browser, it will be captured by burp suit and you can analyze each and every data packet. So consider if you are searching your college website or Flipkart or Amazon or Google. So Google will have some more data, not only the Google website, maybe the image will be captured from the image server and then the data will be captured by the data server. So you can able to gather all the...
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, still you need to present your screen, sir. It's not visible.
Sir, some of the members are saying it's visible. Ma'am, is it visible?
It's
or
visible, sir.
No, sir.
Please pin the chat.
Yeah, you have to pin your chat. Then only you can able to view.
Sir, if it's not visible, you can just contact the chat window. So because all the members they are saying it's visible. So some of you, it's can you able to view the screen? Like I'm in the screen like burp suit configuration. Can you all able to view the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Hello.
thank you.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, usually this happens with Google Meet, so they can switch over to YouTube, sir.
Okay.
So
okay.
they will not have
Ma'am, you can just
Yeah.
inform them to, because they are interrupting. Like you can just chat there. You can give the YouTube link there. Okay.
If this is audible, they will be. So
Okay.
quit here, go to WhatsApp, and you can bring from the YouTube link.
Okay. So
Thank you,
here.
thank you.
So here is a burp suit configuration. I'll share this particular PPT because you have to configure something for burp suit. So I'll explain. Burp suit is a tool, intermediate tool to capture the request from the browser. So I'll demonstrate with some two or three demo. So first thing, to earn something or to learn something, you have to start from the basic level and the important thing. So first, the top 10 vulnerability. There are top 10 vulnerabilities available. So you can search in Google. You can able to view some top 10 vulnerabilities of the OWASP. So OWASP is a community. They are providing some of the details about a bug bounty thing and some security things. So I'll explain. So first about a cross-site scripting. So here the first demo about a cross-site scripting. I'm going to demonstrate three things. One is a cross-site scripting. The second one is a SSRF, server-side request forgery. And third one is a parameter tampering. So first I'll explain about cross-site scripting. Cross-site scripting in the sense, if I am opening one website, consider if I am into some website name, okay, so here I just open a website, demo.testfire, some demo website. I just open a demo website. Here I just add some script file. So here I'll add some script file. So just I'll copy and I'll explain what is about a script file. So if you are not a background of computer science, this is a basic script file. So this is a and href is a reference, and this is about the link. I'm just redirecting the persons to some other link. So here, click here to win iPhone. I just copy the particular link. I just zoom it out and I'll explain. Font, I just zoom. So this is about a href code. I just copy and paste here. Go. So I'm getting a message like click here to win iPhone. I'll copy the same link. And I'll paste in our chat window. So I just copy and paste in our chat window. So you can just open and click our chat window. Okay, or else just I'll demonstrate here. So here is a code file. I'll just copy. Consider this is a script file I have added here as ahref and google.com, and I have given go button. So in this website I am getting a message like click here to win iPhone. If I click the particular button, I am redirected to some other web page. So consider the web page is helping to redirect you to some other web page. So instead of google.com, I can add some other website. So instead of google.com, if I add some other web page like hacking page or phishing page, if the particular page is redirecting me to some other web page, the particular thing is a cross-site scripting. I'll explain again. So I have opened a website named demo.testfire.net, and I have given a script here, and then I have added the go button. I have clicked go button. So once I give the go button, so here I am getting a message like click here to win iPhone. So if I click the particular message, so it's redirected to google.com. The same way, if the website, if it's a college website, or if it's any website like matrimonial website or some other website, if the person is redirecting from one website to another website using the tools and search button available in the particular website, the scenario is a cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting, the person will view one consider the victim will think that the particular website is a secure website like a college, Nandha college website or some other website. If the person click that website, it will redirect the person to some other spam website, and there they'll ask the person to log in with your Gmail ID or Facebook ID to like a webinar. So there is a webinar on AI or machine learning. If you need to view the webinar, you can log in with your Gmail ID. So if the website is helping the person to capture the data anonymously, the thing is a cross-site scripting attack. So next thing, SSRF. Can you able to view the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is a server-side request forgery. So this is one of an interesting thing. Like if one website is helping to open the particular website, like consider Tamil Rockers is blocked in India. So we know that the Tamil Rockers website is blocked in India. So consider if the website is helping us to open the Tamil Rockers website. It's like it's not a proxy website. Consider, I'll just explain. Consider I am just opening some website like tamilrockers.wc. So if I open the particular website, I can't able to load the particular page. So it will show some error. So it won't get open. The thing is, if the particular person is requesting for some web page like Tamil Rockers or ABC web page, and the website is they can't able to view the website in a direct method, like there is a protection of firewall, the internal firewall, or from the internet service provider, they will block the particular website. If that is a scenario, the hacker, they'll use some website to get a details of the blocked website. So the person will use some website, and the website will help the person to open the blocked website. I'll explain. So here the Tamil Rockers website is blocked. Now I'll do one thing. I just open some website name testphp.vulnweb. This is one of a vulnerable website. I'll just open this website, and then I'll go to some photos inside this website. Browse. We can open anything in this website. So I just open some category. So here paintings. First thing, what I'll do, I just open this website, and from this website I'll try to access the blocked website. So the website has been, the photo has been opened, and what I'll do, For this thing, I have to use the burp suit. As I said, we can able to capture whatever the thing we are using in browser. So what I will do, so here the left hand side screen is my browser and right hand side screen is my burp suit. So here you can see the burp suit community edition. So burp suit is the thing, as I said, whatever the thing you are doing with your browser, the burp suit will capture each and every data. So for that you need to do some certain configuration. You can browse YouTube or something and learn those things, or I have attached in the PPT. I'll share the PPT. So what I'll do, I'll just refresh the particular page. I'll just refresh the page and forward. So here you can see testphp.vulnweb.com. So here the host is testphp.vulnweb.com and the file I am accessing is picture/6.jpg. So here you can see file equal to ./picture.6.jpg. So here, as I said, now I am going to open some blocked website using burp suit. So I just right click and then send to repeater. Right click and I will send the particular request to repeater. So this is a request I have captured from browser. So now I have transferred to repeater. You don't, if you are not able to get the thing, you just listen and then the same video will be there in YouTube. So once you are familiar with all those things, you can just replay or you can just learn those things and then you can go listen, you do the same thing. So here what I will do, instead of ./picture/6.jpg, we have opened already the Tamil Rockers website, but it's showing a error. So here it's showing a error. I just copy the website and then I'll paste in file/the Tamil Rockers website and send. So I'm sending request and here I'll get a response. So here I'll just scroll down. Here you can see already the Tamil Rockers response has been, so I have captured the response. Here you can see download and watch Tamil movies, Tamil and Malayalam, all high quality movies. We can able to view with the help of one particular web page like testphp.vulnweb.com. This website is helping me to open the blocked website. The thing is, if the person is filing a complaint, like I'm using a website, consider instead of this Tamil Rockers, if the person is entering into the bank website or some other website and if the person is doing some malicious activity, so the website, all the complaints will be against the website. All the complaints will be based on the website, not to the person who is doing the activity. So clear? So if the person report the vulnerability. So this vulnerability is a server-side request forgery. The thing is, the website is helping us to open some blocked content. So like here you can see all the content. So here you can see the movie name, all the things you can see here. So here you can see the Tamil Rockers website you can see, but when we open the page directly, we'll get an error message. So this is about server-side request forgery. So the two things I have explained. First thing is so first I have explained about cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting is a thing which we are hacking using the search bar or some other thing, using some script file. The XSS or the script file we are hacking and we are redirecting the person to somewhere. The server-side request forgery is we are using some website and with that website we are doing some activity and we are opening some blocked content. The next one is a parameter tampering. I'll give a demo, but this is for only for education purpose. If you are trying this parameter tampering, you will get into a trouble. The parameter tampering is a changing of a price. Like if the price is about some 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, you can able to change the price to 1 rupee or 2 rupee and you can purchase the product. If you are doing the thing in a real time, you will get into a trouble. If you are doing the thing, you can report the particular website is having a bug, so that they'll fix and they'll reward you some payment. I'll explain you. Can you able to view the screen? Is it
Yes,
visible?
sir,
Okay,
visible.
thank you. So for parameter tampering,
Yes, sir.
Okay. For parameter tampering, I'll open one website. We are all aware of the famous website W3 schools. So this is only for the education purpose. I am giving a demo. So if you don't try with some real-time website. So here, if I scroll down, I am getting a thing called get certificate. Get certificate. If I click get certificate, I can able to see more number of certification asking for some $95. I'll just give get certificate now. So get certificate, and here I'll add my mail ID. Some mail IDs I can add a@b.com. Once I add the mail ID, first, okay. So once I add the mail ID, I have to capture the request in burp suite. As I said, we have to capture each and every. Burp suite is an important tool for bug bounty. Without a burp suite tool, you can't do the bounty. So here, I'll capture the request, register now. So here, we are having it's having PayPal, and the amount is $95. I have to check whether here there is any payment of $95. In this, we don't have any payment option $95. So I just do forward. So here I'll check whether, so here the amount is 95. I just change the 95 to 5. Instead of 95, I have changed to 5. And one more thing, while I am doing the thing, the backend, it's not loaded, it's still waiting for my forward. So whenever I am giving a forward button, it will redirect to the next page. So if I give forward button, so right hand side, the left hand side, it's redirecting to PayPal, and you can see the $95 become $5, and after the payment gateway, I can access with $5. And don't do the same thing in real time. So if you are doing the same thing, just report the bug. And one more parameter tampering I will explain. So this is about W3 schools. This is all about a real-time site. It's not a demo site. So next one I'll do with some website here. India's #1 institute for some certificates they are providing. I don't know the thing. So what I'll do the same thing in this website. So here courses, and here I'll just click here. In this website, the same way the parameter tampering they'll do in all the website, like payment gateway website, the mask selling website, all the website you can do. If the particular website is having a parameter tampering, you can report. So here you can see the amount is $5,000. And if I click buy, first I'll explain without parameter tampering so that you can able to follow the thing. So if I click buy, it will redirect it to paynow.php, the payment gateway. So in this, I can't able to edit the 5,000. It's read only. So I just demonstrate the parameter tampering in that particular website. First, I need to fill something in that website. The same way, there are n number of bugs are available. So here, in this website, before clicking that buy now button, I have to capture the data. So for that, I'll just come back to my burp suite and now buy now. So here, instead of the ID 5, I'll change to 5,000 to 5 and forward. So this is for education purpose, and don't do the bug bounty thing in an illegal way. So it will be a trouble for you. If you are finding any bug, you can directly report. I'll explain you where you can report. So here you can see. So $5, $5,000 become 5. So here you can type all the names and you can submit. I'll explain. Dinesh and a@b.com and 98989898 address, some website name I'll give, Coimbatore, state Tamil Nadu 641035, then submit detail. So if I do submit, it will take me to the payment gateway where the payment is not 5,000, only 5. You can see here. It will take some time. Okay. I'll take some another 10 minutes. I'll try to complete where you can report. So I have demonstrated the thing about, so here you can see instead of 5,000, you can see 5 rupees. So now comes to the slide. Okay, parameter tampering. So here, as I have explained about cross-site scripting, server-side request forgery, and then parameter tampering. The next one, job. Once you are learning the bug bounty thing, we can get more number of job as you can work as a freelancer, or you can become an entrepreneur, or you can build your own office and you can get a projects, or you can do a pen testing job, you can apply for a pen testing job. So after consider, if you are learning a bug bounty or ethical hacking, this is one of a topmost thing. You can upgrade yourself, and there is a job assurance for after some 1 year or 10 year or even a 50 year. So whatever the upcoming technologies, consider the AI, machine learning, cloud, IoT, all the things, they have a security lag, and the person who are learning a bug bounty and ethical hackers, they need to secure those data. So job, it's up to you. It's not an assurance. It's up to you how you are learning and how you are updating yourself. And next one, I have explained all those things, but finally you'll get a question like, you have explained all the demonstration and all those things, where I can report and where I can earn. So here is a thing you can earn. So first thing, as I said, you can't learn all the things in YouTube or books. So there are the ways where you can learn from others, like as we did parameter tampering. Parameter tampering, hacker1 report. So if I type the parameter tampering hacker1 report, here I can see the lots of thing. Here you can see $4,000 they have given for parameter tampering. You can see here $4,000 bounty. So the next one we have did was SSRF. So SSRF, you can just take a screenshot. Here you can see $150, and here you can see $25,000. So nearly 1 crore. So $25,000 to INR, I don't know today's value, 25,000 to INR. So here you can see, if you are finding one bug in SSRF, it's not as I said, it's not a overnight thing. You have to try. There are much more number of competition. You can try and you can report. And one more thing, while you are doing a bug bounty thing, if you are finding the duplicate bug, it's not a thing you are going in a wrong way. You are in right way. Like you at least you have found some duplicate bug. The bug is right, the perfect one. The thing is, you have already other members have found those bugs. So it's not an issue. Try for 1 month or 2 months or 1 year. So my students, I have explained to most of the members, like I am handling for the bug bounty and ethical hacking. Most of the members, they will say the thing, sir, I can't able to do the bug bounty within one month or 2 months. It's not a thing you can do within a 1 month or 2 months. But if you are trying for 1 year or 6 months, it's up to you how you are practicing and what are the techniques you are doing. So you can't apply the same logic which I have listed today. So you have to learn. The self-learn is more important in bug bounty. So here is a proof where you can earn and learn. So you can log in with HackerOne website and you can earn, you can report and you can earn. So you will have a question, what is a HackerOne website? So HackerOne website is a topmost website. They have a collection of bug bounty website under the hut. So if you can take some website. And one more thing I'll explain. The Facebook, they have a bug bounty portal. I'll list you. So now you can able to know where you can report. There is a portal name HackerOne Bug Crowd. In last slide I'll explain some more things. For checking, just go to top 10 vulnerability OWASP. Just take some vulnerability name and then consider XSS HackerOne report. HackerOne report, where you can see the price rewarded for that particular bug. So this is about so here you can see $700, $375. So you can learn and you can earn likewise. The next one, so that's all. I'll take some 5 minutes or 3 minutes, I'll complete. So here is a Facebook bug bounty. You can note down the link, facebook.com/whitehat. So this is a Facebook bug bounty page. Most of the news, most of the papers, you can see that the person has found the bug in Facebook, Instagram, all those things. The web portal for Facebook bug bounty is facebook.com/whitehat. You can learn some more things in this website. And here is a report vulnerability form. So if you find the vulnerability in Facebook, you can report directly to Facebook. And same way Paytm. So Paytm has a bug bounty portal named bugbounty.paytm.com. So I just opened the website bugbounty.paytm.com. So here is a web portal, bug bounty Paytm. So all the website, they have a bug bounty portal. Here is a Paytm bug bounty portal. Same way Facebook, as I said, Facebook bug bounty portal, they are following the top 10 vulnerability. So here you can see cross-site scripting and SQL injection, all the things are there. Whatever the thing I have explained, so here they are accepting all those vulnerability. And next one, the pre-vulnerable platform. So these are the pre-vulnerable platform. You may think, what is a pre-vulnerable platform? So consider there is a doctor, the person who is learning or practicing the MBBS, they won't give you the patient directly for operation. So first thing, they'll give some the dead thing, and then they do all the operations and they do all the things. So once they are familiar with all the thing, they can do the operation. The same way, the pre-vulnerable portal have all the pre-vulnerable, the vulnerability in the sense weakness. So the pre-vulnerable portal will have all the vulnerability, and you can try those pre-vulnerable platform and you can learn. So what is a vulnerability and what are the things is there, what is about XSS, each and everything you can learn from the pre-vulnerable means pre-weakness platform. Once you are familiar with pre-weakness platform, you can directly do the in real-time website, like as I did in the W3 schools and some website, the parameter tampering. So before you as a beginner, you don't know about a parameter tampering. So in that case, you can learn from the pre-vulnerable platform. And this is a bug bounty platform, the Bug Crowd, HackerOne, then Hack and Proof. So take a screenshot of this website, and if possible, you just log in by today itself in this particular portal. So once you log into that portal, you will get much more number of website and ideas. So try at least half an hour, spend at least half an hour of time for a bug bounty per day. Learn. I assure you, if you start learning by today, you can able to complete within the logics, the beginner logic, you can complete within 1 month or 1.5 months. After that, if you are trying the bug, try to find some duplicate bug. Once you are finding the bug, it's like you are trying something relevant to the bug bounty. So you don't lose your hope, because the bug bounty, you need some patience, because as I said, it's not overnight to get a billionaire. So you have to be a patient, and you have to learn, practice much more thing. So on Twitter hashtag, you can follow this Twitter hashtag, take a screenshot. If you are in Twitter, so follow this Twitter hashtag to get updates. It's not my Twitter hashtag, it's a hashtag, the overall hashtag, worldwide hashtag, where whoever finding the bug or whoever posting the bug bounty relevant content, they'll use the particular hashtags. If you are in Twitter, you can follow the hashtags. And resources to learn, maybe you'll get a question like where I can able to learn. These are a huge number of things are there inside the bug bounty, where I can take resources. There are resources you can take from Twitter, GitHub, and Medium is a learning platform, and HackerOne, blog, YouTube. So these are the things you can learn. So as I said, no one will handle you all the things. Whatever the thing I know, I can handle in 1 hour. So the same way, no one can handle the whole bug bounty thing. You have to learn day by day, and you have to update yourself. So this is about a bug bounty and techniques and tools, and it's up to your interest and up to how you are working hard. So if you are working hard, you can become a billionaire in bug bounty. So it's up to you. If you are working hard, and if you are trying you are investing your deep knowledge, you can earn much more things, you can learn much more things. Whatever you are learning, you are converting as a earning. The only platform is a bug bounty. And you don't need to strain the whole day or the whole night. It's up to your practice and your smart working. So it's all in the bug bounty thing. And that's all about bug bounty. And about myself, I didn't mention in the first slide. So about myself, Dinesh Parandahan, the ethical hacker, pen tester, and guest speaker. So we are providing a services like ethical hacking, VAPT, and infrastructure security audit, public complaint audit, and development service we are having, and education service we are providing. And to know about our company and myself, you can just Google Dinesh Parandagan. So you'll get to know my whole profile, and or else you can search my office name, Hackup Technology. It's in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So you can just Google Hackup Technology. So if you need any help regarding a bug bounty or anything, you can, you're welcome. You can contact us. So that's all. If you have any queries or anything, you can, if you are from other country, you can add +91 as a country code. And the mail ID, Dinesh@Hackup Technology. So if you are having any queries or anything, you can contact us. So thank you so much. Thank you for Nandha Institute, and thank you Principal Sir and organizers and committee members and participants for giving a wonderful opportunity. It's the first day of the week. It's nice to be. It's a pleasure to handle a webinar on penetration testing and tools and techniques for bug bounty. So it's a query session. If you have any queries, the query session is open, and I'll just post a review link. If you have understood, and if the 1 hour of time is something you have learned, you can post your review in my review link. So I'll post the same review link in our chat window. So if you have any doubts, the query session is open now. You can ask your query. Is it audible?
Sir, I have a query.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you have any YouTube videos regarding this topic?
Ma'am, I don't have any YouTube video because I'm presenting as a webinar. So if you are having any doubts related to this topic, you can mail us.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts? And I have posted in a chat window. So if you are If you got some knowledge in web pen testing, you can review us. Thank you. Any doubts?
On the link to without constraint.
Any doubts?
Exactly, no doubts from participant side.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for spending your valuable time and engaging us. Now
you.
I call upon the head of the department, Mrs. S.S. Gandhalakshmi, to give away the vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Jubilant morning to one and all present here. Most respected Chairman and Secretary of Nandha Educational Institution, Erode, Tamil Nadu. Respected and most distinguished Chief Guest of the day, Dinesh Parandagan, founder and respected Administrative Officer, Dr. V.C. Srinivasan, respected faculty members, and my dear friends. It is the biggest day in the history of our Department of Computer Application, Nandha Arts and Science College. Today, we hosted the biggest education conference through online. It seems to be great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this webinar a very resounding success.